Good day, everyone. I am Gian Matthew B. Rojas. You can call me Gian. I am 20 years old and I live in Mendez, Cavite. I am studying at Mapua University and I'm currently taking MGT 140-1 Marketing Management. As for my course expectation, since this is a marketing program or a marketing course, based on my research, I want to learn about how marketing is strategized and how it is planned. And I also want to learn the collaborative minds or how the collaborative minds work behind the scenes so that the marketing will be flourishing or will be effective. As for the classmates, since most of the classmates in this course has been with me for quite some time now, I do expect them to collaborate and to work well with me if there are groupings or group works, and they can expect the same from me. And to Sir Fantilio, since this is our third course together, I still expect to learn so much from you, like what I learned from the logistics course last semester. And I want, or I expect to get more insights on the marketing side of business from you, sir. And this is what you can expect from me. I will participate in class. I can lead the class if needed, and I will play my role. You can also count on my improvement on every aspect because this is why I study to improve and to work on myself. Next is that I will listen to my professor and that I will cooperate with my classmates any given time. So to conclude, again, I am Gian Matthew Rojas, and I hope that my expectations from this class, from my professor, and from my classmates will be met, and I am looking forward to working with each and every one of you. Thank you.